Hello everyone, this is Semicon China 2026. There's a lot of different semiconductor manufacturers. They are under one roof today. Please stay with me and make sure you don't miss it. Look around here, there's a lot of visitors. The first one, ULVAC. It has the best location. So I'm going to cover the aisle, and I don't have too much time for every booth. Hopefully you can bear with me for this part. That is a Japanese one. It's tremendous. There's a lot of people. Chromax. Canon. TEL. This is beyond my imagination. There's more people than the most of the fairs I've seen recently. TEL. Technology in labeling life. Look at them. There's a lot of color. It's a huge company. You're going to have a big picture here, I think. Fantastic. Some of them are from Japan. I think so. E&G, that one. Westlake Instruments. Name is pretty cool, Westlake. CMAX. Yeah, I can't walk freely. There's too many people. Even the aisle is pretty wide. There's still a lot of people. Asia CMP. By the way, this fair is called Semicon China. FPD China. For the semiconductor industry. UT. It's overcrowded. This one is big too. Panasonic from Japan. What is that logo? It's a little bit abstract. Beijing. This one is from Beijing. VAT. TES, that one. Lintech. That one is a company called Lintech.
In 1986, multi-step electric industrial developed the UA3B.
Yeah, you can look at the logo. TDG.
Measuring machine for spherical glass mold lenses. This was a key.
Manz, M-A-N-Z. Oxford Instruments, that one. Let's walk ahead, and we're going to finish this hall. That name very good. Oxford Instruments. Sometimes it's pretty hard to pronounce the corporate names. YouTube can't recognize it either. So if you have any doubts, you just pause and check the logo thrice even. Twice, thrice. And then you can search for it on Google. Semilab, Asia, Science and Tech. This is a pavilion. Seems from South Korea. Transform tomorrow. It's overcrowded here. C.Mat. The data is in the center part. Gazer. S-A-F-E-S. AK Optics. CMC. Cande. Camde, maybe. It's a little hard. 精工. SBT. SICC. GRH. HP Re. SPEA, 50 years already. Pacific. CETC, I think. SMTK. HPC since 2004. CCTC. This one is from Hong Kong. So crowded. How about that one? ULVAC. Hong Kong. This one is from Hong Kong. Doorbound. I have to plow among the people. So busy. King Semi. There's a lot of international visitors too. That one's pretty big. A logo. AMEC. Disco. That one's ahead. Injet, INJT. Central theme. Air liquid. There's some big ones ahead. Electronics solutions. Nordson.